Good morning, friends. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. This is Tanya at Gig Crafts, and I am so glad you are here today. Welcome, 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 and welcome back to those who have been here before. I am so glad to see you. You guys, we're going to do something a little different today. This is a project share, as you probably saw from the title. I've got a mermaid swap that I am participating in, and I need to wrap this gift up and get it on its way. So today I am sharing what I sent. Now, I say what I sent because obviously it's still sitting here on my desk, but by the time you see this, she will have already received it. So, there you go. So it is past tense for you, future tense for me, and we're going to get this all taken care of today. So, my crafting partner, this is a mermaid swap, and my crafting partner is Crafting with Crafting Rose, and we were tasked to send each other multiple things, all pertaining to mermaids, and it's just so much fun. This is hosted by Jovi, Creating with Jovi, and I was thrilled to participate because I thought, you know what, I haven't done a swap in a really long time. Let's have some fun with it. So I do have several things. Now, we were supposed to do several things, and I'll go through that as I go, but we're also supposed to do a handmade gift or a purchased gift. And that was supposed to be like the main part of our, this is a paper napkin I just found when I was looking for tissue paper. It's not a mermaid, but it's ocean life. So we'll stick that in there. It's all supposed to go together, and it's just, I'm excited. We were supposed to do charms or a sequin mix. I did both. I've got some charms in here, and I've got this little sequin mix to put in there. So just a little vial of that. I have got, this isn't actually a mermaid, but it really goes with the theme, and I thought it was close enough. And I bought her, I ordered this online. I bought her a necklace, and it's got a little mermaid on a pearl. You see the little pearl there and the little mermaid? Isn't that cute? So I bought her a necklace, and let's stick that back on there. And then I just kind of put this in there this way. And we were supposed to do, here's the charms that I've got. I've got this one and this one. I'm going to leave the stickers on there. It doesn't matter to me that she knows they were clearanced. But those were for her. And I'm not doing super fancy packaging because I'm not good at it. I'm just not. We're supposed to do an ATC card, so I did that. I've got my information on the back. That in there. I think I'll put that. I don't know how to put that. And then this is another purchase item. These are little starfish. I thought they were super pretty. They're little hair barrettes, but these are really great to clip onto your journals and such. So hopefully she'll like those. Maybe I'll put this way. I made, remember this bookmark that I made? And I actually put a note on it so she knows what it's for. Those are little mermaids on there. And it's just a long ribbon, and you put it between your pages. So this is for her. And then we needed to do a keychain or a chunky charm. So I made this one for her. Oh, pretty. Got to use some of my beads. I haven't done beads in a long time, so that was a pleasure. And then I made this bag for her with a stamp that I got. I just stamped it. She can, and I put a pull on there. Inside, I've got more treats in here, guys. I've got, this is a little magical mermaid. You put it in your pocket, and it's got a little wish on there for her. I thought that was super cute. Here's another charm. I think I'll put all the charms in here. Oh, I already had that one in there. Well, I'll keep one. And then this is a charm mix. And I put some beads in there. I thought that was a cute way to do it with the little beads being the watercolors. Cash is saying good morning. You haven't heard from her for a while, but there she is. I'm going to add this die in there for her. As well as this one, some little beach themed dies. Oops. And then we were supposed to do 3 embellishments. And I did a whole set of beach words. We've got bright, sun, R, special, sparkle, you, beach hair don't care. I thought those were fun too. So I'll put those in there for her. as well. And that is what I'm sending. I'm going to go ahead and put, since I already have those charms in there, I'm going to put these charms in there too. Let me repackage this for a minute. And we were supposed to do a card, which I'll show you my card in just a sec. I thought it turned out kind of cute. And I just want to put these in here so that I can fold this back this way. And let me put these back in here differently because I moved those things and now it doesn't work right. Chunky charm, we'll put the bag in there. And then my card can go on top. And I left the card blank so she can add a sentiment and write in it if she wants to. But there's my card. And on the inside, I've just got blank paper and a little note for her. Do you like it? I thought it turned out kind of cute. I had a lot of fun making it. So there is my swap, guys. There's my mermaid swap. All done. We'll close this down. I only had black paper, black tissue. Can you believe that? I didn't have any white, which is fine. I'm trying to go through my materials, not keep adding, but I was surprised I didn't have any white. And it just fits really neatly into my little box. So there it is. I'll probably find some mermaid stickers or something fun to put on the outside, but that is my swap. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope she likes it. I really had fun making it for her. Crafting Rose, thank you so much for swapping with me. I hope you enjoy your little goodies. You guys have a fantastic day and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.